Hi guys, I just wanted to make a video since I'm not going to be here for Monday and Tuesday to kind of let you know what we're doing. In case you had any questions, please watch this. So, on Monday, you need to have all 20 of your note cards done and your works cited page complete. Okay, if those two things aren't done, please do not go on and work ahead because first of all, you can't go on without the notes, okay? So, if you are done with those things, then on Monday you're going to write your thesis statement, okay? Hold on, let me schedule this to post. I have posted the thesis statement assignment as a question, like as a class question. So if you go to classwork, under research paper, this will show up on Monday. And it says, after watching the video, so this video that's attached explaining thesis statements, please write your thesis statement below. So to answer the question, you are just going to write your thesis statement. It is one sentence. Your thesis for an informative essay. Alright, so this is, you're not persuading me anything, remember, you're just telling me about your famous person and their disability. So it should be a fact, not a sentence persuading me. Yours should look something like, Tom Cruise is a famous actor that has dyslexia as a disability. And then I kind of give you a fill in the blank here if you need to use that for help. If you want to be a little more creative, please, please, please do so. Okay? So this I want you to work on Monday. I would like it by Tuesday done because on Tuesday we are going to start writing our introduction paragraphs. And in order to complete an intro paragraph, you need to have your thesis statement done. All right? Your thesis statement goes in the bottom green box. And you can really, if I have approved the thesis that you put, you can copy and paste that right there. All right? So you're 1/3 of the way done. Then you will need an attention getter, which good ones for me usually are an interesting fact about the person or quote, and those two things should be very easy to find. You might even have them in your notes already. All right. The middle of this paragraph is going to be background information. So you're going to explain your person. Who are they? Why are they famous or successful? And then what their disability is. And that should be 3 to 5 sentences. Okay? So you have Tuesday and Wednesday to work on this. I would like this to be due Wednesday because then when you come back to school, and I will be there, we're going to work on the first body paragraph, which is their background information or like their childhood. Okay, and it looks like this. I want to show you, so I have the graphic organizers, and completing these will be your rough draft. All right. I have a video for each one if you are confused and want to go back after class and refresh yourself on what the heck I'm talking about. So on Monday, do the thesis statement. On Tuesday, watch this video, okay? It's only 2 minutes long. It's from last spring, so my baby is in it, but I'm explaining how to write your introduction paragraph in a little more detail. All right, so that's what you'll be doing while I'm gone. Again, I'll be back Thursday and Friday to hope that you guys are caught up and we can move forward with body paragraph 1. Now, those of you, I'm just warning you right now, those of you who are not done with your note cards yet, which there is a handful of you, I have emailed you and I have emailed home, okay? And I've had several parents and guardians respond back. If by next Monday you still have not completed these note cards, I'm going to start emailing parents, guardians, counselors, case managers. I mean, because we're doing this for the entire month. So this is a huge, huge part of your grade. It's really, I mean, like each step is going to end up making most of your grade in this class. And again, if you fail this, you'll probably fail the class, and you'll have to take at least second semester of English 3 next year, which is something that you don't want to do. So I'm threatening you guys, yes, but I really just want everyone to keep up with the material. Because I'm a little worried because so many of you are still not done with note cards. If you are done and haven't turned them in, it's okay, just get that done. Alright? And just remember, I have email on my phone, so even though I'm gone, email me at any point during the week, and I'll get back to you. Alright, bye.